How do you start your day?
On the Mornings in the Lab Live Network.
Welcome to the Mornings in the Lab Live Network. We get after it every single day here at 7:30 Eastern Time.
Did Keith actually use a baby to hook the viewer into this video?
No, it was the hot reporter asking the question.
We've got a live show. We talk health, business, fitness, lifestyle, getting up, getting after it, no excuses.
Can't believe he's using a fucking baby to entertain and inform.
Hey, got your attention, Frankie.
Our goal is to entertain you, inform you, and welcome you into an exceptionally warm community of awesomeness.
You must know something. He sold his last company for $50 million.
We are still here, aren't we, Frankie?
But before we get into that, I'm just going to say this. Welcome to Mornings in the Lab with Keith, John, and Friends, your live morning show, your daily accountability partner, and the place where men get real talk, entertaining conversation to start the day right.
Let me get this straight. He sold his social media company and now he started a live network?
Yes, we work for him, remember?
This is an R-rated experience, boys. So kids, either walk your parents out of the room or put the headphones in, because I'm certain dad is not responsible enough to do that for you.
Did he say R-rated and he's using a baby in the intro?
Attention, Frankie, every second counts.
And as always, don't hit the snooze button, guys. If you hit it today, you're 9 minutes behind the guy who didn't.
True motherfucking story.